Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. I'm sorry I haven't posted in the past 2 weeks. I've just been really busy. But today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of Witch Casket. This is going to make it or break it for me, because the first one that I received I was a tad disappointed with. After looking at all of their Instagram posts and the website photos, it wasn't to my expectations. So let's have a look and see what's inside. Right, let's get this open. And all of the paper stuff has fallen out again. I'm getting a really strong smell of herbs or something. Right, so let's just put that down. And so these are the two art prints. The Hermit. That's cool. I like that. That it kind of reminds me of like a tattoo drawing. And I'm going to call it a Crystal Queen. She's very pretty. And then we've got what's inside here. List of contents and February's Witch Casket. So this theme is reflect and recharge. So I'm just gonna, the first thing, it says, oh, it just says Casket Crew. It's quite cute, embroidered on a little bag. So we've got a crystal grid and oh, a cute little baggie of amethyst and rose quartz, I think. So yeah, you put these crystals on the little grid and you do your little castings and things. That's cute. Kind of reminds me a little bit of like I thought it was a tea coaster to begin with. So the next item is red clover flowers. I'm gonna open this because last time I didn't open these little bags. That is what smells. So it's just full of lots of little dried flowers. Sprinkle around your home or use as a floor wash to remove negative spirits and bad vibes. The next item is wellness tea. I think it's green tea, which unfortunately I only like breakfast tea, so I won't be drinking that. Well, I could try it, but let's open it. Oh, no, I think this is what that is what smells. Sorry about that. Okay, so that is like green tea, lemongrass, tangerine pieces, rosemary, sage, organic flavours. And the next item is essential ritual candle. Okay. Okay, they smell a lot better. So it's just like just 5 little white tea lights. It's not, I don't know what they're very, very sweet. Oh, I don't know what I've done. There we go. It's cute wrapping. Essential oil burner. The oils contain the magical energies of plants and are great for ceremonies, rituals, and meditation. Release their magic by adding a few drops to an oil burner. I'm assuming this is why it's a fragile ring on it. It's cute, but it's pretty basic. I've got a really nice one of the 3 wise women. But I could put it in my bedroom, for one, in my bedroom. Ooh, this is cute. So it's a stone and it's an opalite. It's not really showing its colour, is it? Like with me holding it like this. So it's just an opalite tumble stone. And this is the pin badge. It's pretty. That's really cute. It's going straight on my pin badge display. The next item is the scroll. Parchment paper. Now, let's see. I've ripped it already. So it's meditating for manifestation. So it's just basically telling you how to meditate and why it's good to meditate. Is there anything else in here? Oh, yes, there is. A little sticker. It's all very opaly. And I think that is it. An oil. Let's quickly smell this and tell you what it smells like. I'm so bad at opening things. I can't even say that. I have eucalyptus. Eucalyptus. I think it says eucalyptus. I've never actually looked at that word before. Is that like a leaf or a plant? Oh my god. It smells like Vicks. Oh my god, it smells like Vicks. So that is February's witch casket. I think it's a really cute idea, but, and I love the pin badges, like, I love these, and like the fact that you get a little tumble, this is definitely better than last month's one, without a doubt, it's so much better, but I don't think that this box is for me personally. I feel like the amount that you're spending on it is going more on the packaging. Like, I don't care about packaging, you know, and these foils, the box, an embroidered bag, like, I'm not gonna use them. I'm gonna use it and then I'm gonna bin them. The box, like, it's a lovely box, an absolutely adorable, cute box, but yeah, and that one, like, a bit of metal with, that was really satisfying. I just feel like I'm paying more for the packaging than the actual items in the box. So I don't think I'm going to be getting Witch Casket again. But it was good to try, and I'm glad that I've tried it. So everyone's different though, so have a look at it and try it for yourself. Next month might be amazing and I'll probably regret it. But, like, yeah, it's not for me. So other than that, thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon with another upload. So stay spooky and don't forget to subscribe.